everyone wants to be part of an organization that is leading the charge. Any organization that adopts psychological health and safety into their workplace culture will be able to differentiate themselves from other organizations as leaders.
Right away, we can say that stigma is really starting to be diminished in the organization. We're noticing a lot more awareness of the topic of psychological health and safety. People know that we're addressing it. People know that it's on the agenda and we're talking about it. People can see the actions we're taking to address psychological health and safety. We have a dedicated health area in our organization known as the Quad. We post information about mental health, about the psychological health and safety, and it's a dedicated floor space that shows that commitment that we have to improving the workplace. We talk about it at meetings, we talk about our town hall meetings, and it's on the agenda for sure. We've noticed that management have been given a toolkit through that training course to have that conversation with their staff to help protect their staff and also their team from potential psychological health and safety hazards. And the other thing we've noticed is great is there's actually coworker support as well. So people are reaching out to each other now and asking, are you okay? I've noticed you're a little bit stressed. Have you taken your lunch? And really trying to engage each other to protect each other. And we're in it together. And because that conversation is happening, we're seeing there's more trust, and it's becoming part of the fabric of our organization. Through all of this, it really helps create a supportive work environment, and it really does foster our culture of caring at the Canadian Centre for Occupational Health and Safety.
Une des choses qu'on pourrait suggérer avec le parcours qu'on a fait à la GRC, à la division C en matière de santé mentale, ça serait de se poser la question si la GRC, avec la culture organisationnelle que nous avons, soit des policiers, soit une organisation qui est paramilitaire, et puis qu'au cours des 5 dernières années, on a pu faire un progrès intéressant en matière de santé mentale. Si nous, on a réussi, je pense qu'on devient un point de comparaison pour d'autres organisations.
The type of advice that we would give to organizations that are interested in implementing the standard is it's not as overwhelming as you think it might be when you first read the standards. The last part that I would just say with regards to advice in implementing the standard is take realistic steps, realistic action steps that can be implemented, because there's always a lot of changes that happen within an organization that may happen all of a sudden. So just if you're doing the realistic steps, it helps and be celebrating your successes as you go along.
You're not alone. There are lots of others that are going along this journey, and there's lots of best practices. There's lots of help out there, and it's just a matter of either a phone call, sitting in a webinar, just reading even some material from others. And it is a bit of a journey. It's not a race. Don't think that there's a goal at the end of it. It's a continuous journey that we're all on.